Here's some surround sound trivia. Subscribe. Which audio technology uses multiple channels to enhance sound? Is it A, audio cassette, B, mono audio, C, linear PCM, or D, surround sound? The correct answer is D, surround sound. What is the purpose of an AV receiver in home theaters? Is it A, video playback, B, sound processing, C, device charging, or D, remote control? The correct answer is B, sound processing. What is the term for a sound field created for 5.1 systems? Is it A, audio blend, B, stereo channel, C, 5.1 channel, or D, quadraphonic sound? The correct answer is C, 5.1 channel. Which audio format is known for lossless audio compression? Is it A, MP3, B, FLAC, C, or DAC? The correct answer is B, FLAC. What component is essential for converting surround sound formats into audio signals? Is it A, decoder, B, amplifier, C, mixer, or D, speaker? The correct answer is A, decoder. What audio channel format is standard for Blu-ray audio? Is it A, Dolby Digital, B, ACC, MP3, or D, linear PCM? The correct answer is D, linear PCM. Who is known for his work with pioneering surround sound in cinema? Is it A, George Lucas, B, Walter Murch, C, Francis Ford Coppola, or D, Steven Spielberg? The correct answer is B, Walter Murch. What does the term object-based audio refer to? Is it A, stereo sound mixing, B, audio sampling rate, C, 3D audio positioning, or D, digital audio formats? The correct answer is C, 3D audio positioning. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.